Have you ever thought about how important trees are for our lives?
Definitely. Trees are one of the most valuable natural resources on Earth.
I agree. We often see trees every day, but forget how much they help us.
Exactly. Without trees, life would be much more difficult.
The first thing that comes to mind is oxygen.
Right. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which we need to survive.
It's amazing that something so simple has such a huge impact.
Nature is incredible, honestly.
Trees also help keep the air clean.
Yes, they filter harmful pollutants and improve air quality.
That's especially important in big cities.
Definitely. Cities with more trees are usually healthier and more pleasant.
Have you noticed how cool it feels under a large tree on a hot day?
Absolutely. Trees provide natural shade and reduce temperatures,
That can make a huge difference during summer.
especially with global temperatures rising.
Speaking of that, trees also help fight climate change.
Exactly. They absorb carbon dioxide, one of the main greenhouse gases.
So, planting trees can actually help the environment?
Yes, even one tree can make a positive impact over time.
That's inspiring.
It is.
Trees also provide homes for animals.
Birds, squirrels, insects, and many other species depend on trees,
Without trees, many animals would lose their habitats.
which would affect the entire ecosystem.
Nature is connected in ways people often don't realize.
Very true.
Trees also help prevent soil erosion, right?
Yes, the roots hold the soil together and reduce land degradation.
That's important for agriculture too.
Exactly. Healthy soil means better farming and food production.
Trees contribute to so many aspects of life.
More than most people realize.
What do you think is the biggest threat to trees today?
Probably deforestation.
I agree.
Large areas of forests are cut down every year.
Mostly for agriculture, construction, and industry.
Unfortunately, yes,
That can have serious environmental consequences.
definitely. It affects